How to fix Wolong Fallen Dynasty black screen at launch. 1. Reboot your PC. 2. Verify the game files in Steam. 3. Install the VP9 video extension from Microsoft's website. 4. Disable extra. Visual/display adapters. 5. Update your GPU. Drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Run the game, wolong.exe, through the dedicated GPU. Like this. Hint, use Steam's Browse local files to locate that file. 7. Disable all overlay applications and /or settings. 8. Uninstall then reinstall. The game.